Nano Dimension is a relatively young company from Israel with a big vision. We want to change the electronics industry. With the combined solution of those two machines, design engineers and professionals are now able to rapid prototype new designs for PCBs with high layer counts or complex 3D electronics that we call high pads in their lab. So there's no need for a PCB factory and an SMT assembly. All can be done with just two machines in your lab. How does it work? Nano Dimension is printing additively dielectric and conductive material to create three-dimensional structures or complex PCBs. Then we take the boards, put them into the SMTech Fox machine, and with the SMTech ability to solder jet, solder paste, or conductive glue, and then pick and place the components, you are able to have functional electronics for testing in your lab within hours instead of waiting for weeks. So Nano Dimension started from additively manufactured electronics, a unique process that has huge advantages compared to traditional manufacturing. We only put material where we need. It's not a subtractive process like in a PCB factory with 70 different machines where you use wet chemicals and etching and electroplating. In our new setup, you only put material where you need, so we reduce the consumption of water, toxic waste, and many more. Nano Dimension expanded now into the electronics manufacturing world with the acquisition of SMTech. SMTech has pick and place and dispensing systems, and those allow now for companies that make high mix, low volume production, the ability to rapid prototype and produce high mix of products at any given time. We believe that we will change the way the world is manufacturing by making it smarter, better and faster. Electronics is everywhere, and more electronics are brought into our world. Maybe very soon we will have electronics inside our body. It already started. So for me, it's really fascinating to see how this all is developing. For me, it's fascinating to see that we are at the top point of this development. We looked at many other companies and we couldn't find anyone that is as advanced as we are in the vision, in the technology, and also in the execution of producing the next generation of electronics. If you have more questions, just come to our website, nano-di.com. You will find a lot of information there. And if you want to know more, reach out to us and book a meeting.